How to fix SketchUp error fail to open document. So the first thing that you need to do is go to the folder where your file is at, and then simply just copy and paste it. Here we have a copy. Now what you want to do is either put this in a folder somewhere, for example here, and now rename this into the original name. The important thing is you're not deleting the actual original file. Now, and simply just try opening this file now. Okay, so this is kind of interesting. I've opened up the task manager to see if SketchUp even tries to boot up because it's not working with this file. I try to open the file and look what program pops up. Anti-malware service executable. I do it again, and there you go. Anti-malware service executable. So what this means is that we need to go to the antivirus, virus and threat protection. Then let's go to the manage settings, exclusions. So add or remove exclusions, add exclusion. Let's make it a file first, and let's select the file. Let's open. Let's add another exclusion, and this exclusion is going to be SketchUp itself. So let's open file location. Let's see where it is. This is the shortcut. So let's open it again, and let's copy this path. Add an exclusion. File. And here it is. Let's open it, and there you go. Now if that still doesn't work, open up SketchUp directly. Then go to open file, my device, select your file that you want to open, and then click open. And there you go. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.